Hell no, hell no. Stars may rise and fall, I ain't playing games at all. What you say, Bubba? Hell no, hell no. I come to set off the meters, up speakers, and I just steady light up the bleachers. But when I leave her, ain't nothing gonna be the same. I come to prove I'm a leader, sure I'm a keeper. Take all the haters, make them believe her. But when I leave her, everybody's gonna know my name. They gonna know my name. 'Cause I ain't come to play no game. Hell no, I ain't come to play no game. Hell no, hell no, hell. Been a long time coming, but I'm finally here. Taking a shot of straight Jaeger and a bottle of beer. Been through hell and high water, had to face my fears. Now I'm on the up and up and ain't changing gear. Wearing black leather boots or a fresh pair of J's, with a cowboy hat and a fresh pair of shades. Boy, I'm here to make a statement and it's gonna be made. That them focus, hope you know that I ain't playing no games. Yeah. Stars may rise and fall, I ain't playing games at all. What you say, Bubba? Hell no, hell no. I come to set off the meters, up speakers, and I just steady light up the bleachers. But when I leave her, ain't nothing gonna be the same. I come to prove I'm a leader, sure I'm a keeper. Take all the haters, make them believe her. But when I leave her, everybody's gonna know my name. They gonna know my name. 'Cause I ain't come to play no game. Hell no, I ain't come to play no game. Hell no, hell no, hell
I've been a diamond in the dirt, I elevate from the mud. You got some business on your brain, you talking straight to the plug. Countrified firecracker, quick to tear up the club. 100% real, mother running my blood. We ain't coming to play games with y'all. No surrender, retreat, or draw. United we stand, divided we fall. Get on the mic and I'm spitting it raw. Money on my mind, with the world inside my hands. I lost it all and bounced back. I caught it second chance.
Stars may rise and fall, I ain't playing games at all. What you say, Bubba? Hell no, hell no. I come to set off the meters, up speakers, and I just steady light up the bleachers. But when I leave her, ain't nothing gonna be the same. I come to prove I'm a leader, sure I'm a keeper. Take all the haters, make them believe her. When I leave her, everybody's gonna know my name. They gonna know my name. 'Cause I ain't come to play no game. Hell no, I ain't come to play no game. Hell no, hell no, hell no, hell no, hell no. I ain't come to play no games. Hell no, hell no, hell no. Hell no.
That was weird. Did you notice that these guys pushed onto us? Thought they had us all dead, and then we were like, all right, bye. That was fucking weird, wasn't it?